An attorney accused of embezzling millions from the heiress to the Carhartt clothing fortune faces a judge. Thank you for staying with us this afternoon. I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Brian Abel. The judge hit that attorney with a much higher bond than anybody involved in the case expected.
7 Action News reporter Mike Duffy in Grosse Pointe Farms with our top story at 5:30.
That's right. Sutherland was arraigned here at Grosse Pointe Farms Municipal Court. He's charged with 3 counts of embezzlement, 1 of a vulnerable adult, and 1 count of conducting a criminal enterprise. That vulnerable adult was Gretchen Carhartt-Valade, philanthropist and granddaughter of Hamilton Carhartt, founder of the Carhartt workwear brand. The man accused of stealing from her was her trust attorney, David Sutherland. Sutherland's attorney, James Sullivan, says there's no truth to the allegations.
People that know him and know him well know that these charges are unfounded.
The Attorney General's office asked for a $250,000 10% bond, but the judge, Charles Burschbeck, decided that wasn't enough.
I'm going to order a $250,000 surety bond, no 10%, cash or surety.
I reached out to Anjali Prasad, criminal defense attorney and owner of Prasad Legal, to explain to me what this means.
A surety bond means the defendant has to put up the whole amount. So if it was $250,000, what normally happens is that you can get your bond on a 10%, so $25,000.
Sullivan admitted he was not expecting such a high bond and spoke out in court.
With all due respect, I don't think is proportionate to the circumstances that are before this court. The primary purpose of bond is to secure someone's appearance.
Sullivan said that even he doesn't have much information at this time.
And I haven't even seen the facts that the charges are based upon, so hopefully they'll provide that.
Anjali Prasad backed this up.
You know, they're just charges, so I don't think anybody should jump the gun yet. There's no guilty plea. We don't know what the evidence is. They're just charges.
But she doesn't think the victim's social status factored into the decision.
I don't know why her status as the heiress to Carhartt has any relevance. What is relevant is that she was an individual with means who put her trust in an attorney. And that attorney is now charged with abusing her trust and taking her millions.
Each of Sutherland's 4 charges carries a maximum sentence of 20 years behind bars, so if convicted, he could be seeing quite a bit of time. In Grosse Pointe Farms, Mike Duffy, 7 Action News.